The student wants to emphasize the aim of the research study. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Most, but not all, of the moon's oxygen comes from the sun via solar wind. Cosmochemist Kentaro Terada from Osaka University wondered if some of the unaccounted for oxygen could be coming from Earth. In 2008, he analyzed data from the Japanese satellite Kaguya. Kaguya gathered data about gases and particles it encountered while orbiting the moon. Based on the Kaguya data, Terada confirmed his suspicion that Earth is sending oxygen to the moon. So, the aim of the student is to emphasize the aim of the research study. From the text, we can see that his aim was to determine if some of the unaccounted for oxygen on the moon could be coming from Earth. So, option choice A says, as it orbited the moon, the Kaguya satellite collected data that was later analyzed by cosmochemist Kentaro Terada. This is incorrect because this does not emphasize the aim of the research study and simply says that the satellite collected data which was analyzed by Kentaro Terada. So, from this we can eliminate option choice A. B. For 2008, Kentaro Terada wondered if the moon was receiving some of its oxygen from Earth. This is incorrect, because although it does highlight how Terada did wonder if the moon was receiving some of the oxygen from Earth, it doesn't highlight that this was like the aim of the research study. It's simply a wondering. So B can be eliminated. C. Cosmochemist Kentaro Terada set out to determine whether some of the moon's oxygen was coming from Earth. This seems to be the correct answer because it clearly emphasizes the aim of the research study, which was to determine whether some of the moon's oxygen was coming from Earth. So, overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Kentaro Terada's study determined that Earth is sending a small amount of oxygen to the moon. This is incorrect because this does not emphasize the aim of the research study. Instead, it highlights the result or the conclusion of the study. So D can be eliminated. And with that, we're left with C as the correct answer.